Very nice, babe. You did good.
Hey, meal preppers. Just be by myself this weekend yet once again.
Yep.
Amy behind the camera, she just got home. And,
Yep.
she was out for another girls' weekend. You know, she tells me I should have a guys' weekend, but guys just don't sit around in our pajamas. We don't sit at a lake house and talk,
You should. It's
and
fantastic.
talk about the intimacies of our lives. If guys get together, there's nothing but trouble that happens. We make those videos on Chive TV that you see at the bar.
Yeah.
That's a guy's weekend right there. But left me up to my own devices. I got a little adventurous, so we're gonna see what happens here. I think everything came out pretty well. Over here, I have a garlic Parmesan chicken, pretty simple. You make this little garlic and Parmesan sauce on top. And it, you know, when you put it together, there's ghee, there's olive oil, there's Parmesan and garlic, and then you put it all together, and it does make a little paste. So you put it on top of the chicken, which is well seasoned with paprika, garlic powder, and you just let it bake in the oven. And oh my gosh, I tasted the sauce. It's phenomenal. So that came out good. That was an oven dish. And then I roasted some broccoli. That was another oven dish. And then I made some sweet potato medallions. These are Amy's favorites. Loaded them up with a little coconut oil spray. You know, every serving is 0 calories. So I just keep spraying. It's all 0. And paprika, let those bake in the oven as well. So oven. I use the oven a lot today.
If I'd been home, he wouldn't have been able to do that. I would have been too hot.
So took advantage of that. And then made some Mediterranean shrimp. I found a little marinade, and I kind of went off base with a little bit, but I kept the spices. What's interesting is that it's oregano, thyme, cumin, and fennel seed. Yeah, so, and then I put it in with some lemon juice and olive oil. I can't remember what they did, but I didn't like what they did. So I put lemon juice and olive oil, kept it, I think there was a lot of butter involved, but kept it just a little bit lighter. And I didn't put it on the grill. You know, I think a grill would have been great with this, especially if you did with the zucchini.
Yeah.
The zucchini, I just went ahead and sauteed it. Real plain, salt and sugar. I mean, salt and pepper, and then threw some lemon juice in there at the end so we get some lemon on it, and then put it on a bed of beets. We haven't had beets in a while.
We have not.
So
by the time we eat these plates, those shrimp will be purple,
exactly.
pink. So.
But I love beets, and
Yes.
you just roast them in the oven for like 40 minutes. And they come out amazing. They really soak up the olive oil and the salt, and it's just really nice. Over here, I took a little adventure with this one too. This is this needs to be stirred up. It's getting a little, there you go, a little shiny now. It's a steak stir fry, and I actually baked the steak again in the oven. Baked it first with a little bit of pepper and flour. You probably don't have to do the flour since that's not a gluten-free thing, but did the flour, salt and pepper, and a little bit of oil. Baked that first, and then while I did that, I sauteed asparagus, red pepper, these little snow peas, some carrots, and threw in a mixture of mushrooms, and just sauteed it. Simple with sesame oil, tamari, and honey. Just kept it easy.
Nice.
Yeah. And
Sounds
then
yummy.
I threw in the steak to finish it off. And then I poured in some ginger, all right, pickled ginger along with some juice and some chili paste. So it makes it a little
Interesting.
spicy, a little sweet and spicy.
All right.
We had the ginger. Amy wanted candied ginger.
Yeah.
Some kind of mocktail thingy. I
Yeah.
don't know.
I needed some candied ginger, and I wasn't with them when we went shopping.
I made a sweet little mocktail today. This is ginger beer with orange juice and a squeeze of lime. Really good. This is really good stuff. Ginger beer is actually really, really good. It's probably going to make me flow here in a little bit. TMI. We have these turkey muffins, guys. We've made these before. These are super amazing to eat. Good protein and veggie meal right here. Loaded with oats in there as well as onion and a bunch of spices. And so those are baked in the oven, but I did a little different spin. I put this little power slaw to it, so a little bit more, veggie power. This is veggie slaw, a little bit of cucumber, and I put crushed almonds in here, salted almonds, and some dried cranberries, along with just honey, vinegar, and oil.
Nice.
And a little Dijon actually mustard in there too, just give it a little kick. But So that'll pair nicely. Amy wanted a slaw.
These cruciferous veggies are good for us.
I just wanted some, I just sauteed
Yeah.
some green beans again with some lemon juice. I had another thing of lemon left over the other side of the lemon that I didn't use in this dish. So, but a lot of oven. We got oven here. And then the green beans, I'm like, forget the oven, I'm gonna saute them.
Yep.
All right. But 4 dishes this week, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Let us know what you like. You know, throw some recipes our way. Let us know what you want us to cook, and we can do that for you. All right, guys. Have a great weekend. Take care.